Hey everyone, welcome back to TechVerse, your go-to channel for the latest in tech news, reviews, and updates. Today, we're diving into some exciting news from OpenAI. The company has announced plans to integrate its AI video generation tool, Sora, directly into ChatGPT. This move could revolutionize how we create and interact with AI-generated content. But what does this mean for users, and when can we expect it? Let's break it down. Currently, Sora is only available through a dedicated web app launched in December 2023. This app allows users to generate up to 20-second long cinematic clips using OpenAI's advanced AI video model. However, during a recent Discord office hours session, OpenAI's product lead for Sora, Rowan Sahai, revealed that the company is working on integrating Sora into ChatGPT. This integration aims to make Sora more accessible to a broader audience, allowing users to generate AI videos directly within the popular chatbot app. While Sahai didn't provide a specific timeline, he hinted that the ChatGPT version of Sora might offer a more streamlined experience compared to the web app. For example, users may have less control over editing and stitching footage together, but the convenience of generating videos directly in ChatGPT could be a game changer. One of the main reasons OpenAI launched Sora as a separate web app was to maintain ChatGPT's simplicity. However, integrating Sora into ChatGPT could attract more users to the platform and potentially encourage upgrades to premium subscription tiers, which may offer higher video generation limits. But that's not all. OpenAI is also exploring other exciting developments for Sora. Sahai mentioned that the company is actively working on a standalone mobile app for Sora and is looking for mobile engineers to bring this vision to life. Additionally, OpenAI is expanding Sora's capabilities to include AI image generation. While ChatGPT already supports image generation through DALL-E 3, a Sora-powered image generator could produce even more photorealistic photos. OpenAI is also developing a new version of Sora Turbo, the model that currently powers the Sora web app. This update could bring even more advanced features and improvements to the platform. So, what does this mean for the future of AI-generated content? By integrating Sora into ChatGPT, OpenAI is making it easier than ever for users to create high-quality videos and images with just a few clicks. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone who loves experimenting with AI, these updates are sure to excite you. What do you think about OpenAI's plans for Sora and ChatGPT? Are you excited about the potential of AI-generated videos and images? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from TechVerse. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the future of technology.